Hey, future billionaires. In today's video, we're going to do a quick review of the Bank of America Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Rewards card. In addition to that, we're going to cover the features and benefits of this card, the requirements to apply, and at the end of the video, I'm going to give you a bonus on providing you details on the indicator that told me I qualify for this Bank of America card. Now let's take a look at some of the features and benefits. There is a no annual fee on this card, so you pay $0 for your annual fees. It does come with a $300 statement credit, and that's only after you spend $3,000 in the first 90 days of receiving the card. You also receive 1.5% cash back, and that is unlimited. Now, I will tell you this, in contrast to my other credit cards, the cash back amounts is higher, but this is 1.5% and it is unlimited. And during the first 9 months of the card, you do get a 0% interest rate. Now, I will note, in contrast to my other credit cards, where some gives you anywhere between 18 to 24%, 0% interest, this is kind of low in contrast to this cards, but you do get 9 months interest free. Now, the great thing about this small business credit card also is that you do get access to your small business credit reports. So you get access to the DMB delinquency predictor score, and you also get access to the DMB Small Business Financial Exchange score. So that's the great thing about having this card, because most of my business credit cards, I don't have access to my small business credit scores, but with this particular credit card, you do get access to your small business credit scores. Now, looking at your requirements to apply, Bank of America will pull your personal credit report in addition to your small business credit report to determine if you qualify for this card. Just wanted to give you a heads up about that. So if your personal credit is not so good, I do recommend that you do not apply. So how we knew that we could apply, we had an indicator that told us we could apply, and I'll cover that in the bonus section of the video. But I know that I have good personal credit. But what I wasn't sure of at the time of where my business credit score was exactly in terms of qualifying for the card. So I know that I had good business credit, but I didn't know if I had enough credit reporting lines that were actually reporting on the card to qualify for Bank of America's system. So, but I did receive an indicator that told me I qualify for the card. So I'm going to cover that in the bonus section and go into a little bit more detail about that. But those are the requirements to apply. Good personal credit and your small business credit must be intact also. So as promised in the bonus section of this video, I pretty much told you guys that I was going to give you the indicator that told me that I qualified for the Bank of America Small Business Credit Card. How did I know that I actually qualified? It's because I have NAV. NAV is what Credit Karma is to consumers on the personal side, where it provides their actual credit report in addition to pretty much giving you a lineup of all the credit cards that you apply for. Well, the same thing is done with NAV on the business side. NAV gives your business the ability to see your business credit reports in addition to your personal credit reports also, but it does show you primarily your business credit reports, and it gives you a list of cards to pretty much indicate what you qualify for. So pretty much NAV, how I knew I qualified for this small business credit card with Bank of America is because NAV had it in my business profile. They gave me a list of cards that told me what I qualified to apply for. When you subscribe to NAV, they do report your payment history to Equifax, Dun & Bradstreet, and Experian. So they do report your payment history to all three business credit bureaus. This helps build your business credit. Now, I will tell you this. I do not recommend obtaining NAV until you at least have 4 or 5 business trade lines reporting on your business credit report. I do not recommend purchasing NAV until you have that completed. Now, if you have questions, comments, or concerns about that, definitely reach out to us and we can help you with that. I'm going to pretty much include a link in the description of this video and in addition to the video itself so that you can have access to NAV. And I only want you to get access to NAV if you have about 4 or 5 business trade lines reporting on your business credit report. So we will continue to report a lot of business credit cards to you as recommendations. These are credit cards that we currently have. So from time to time, we'll continue to report those business credit cards to you periodically. So if you enjoyed today's video, like it, subscribe, because we want to make sure that we keep you up to date on the latest videos that we're presenting to you. All videos will be released on Friday, so definitely subscribe so that you're the first individual to know about the videos as they're released.